My name is Marissa Cruz, and I will be discussing the virtual learning project my group did. Overall, I think we did a very good job on the project. Some things that we did well were we worked through the actual process of recording very well. We used the QuickTime player on the Mac and then we put it into iMovie, and we were able to record different segments of the virtual learning video, and then we were able to put them all together in iMovie. We had a lot of comments under our discussion post saying that they liked that our pen was able to work in the video, and they thought that it was easy to follow along with our math lesson. And I think something else that we did good in the project was we provided a lot of examples for the multiplication strategies. After each example, we did a problem and asked the students to pause it after the video, which is nice because it made the video more interactive. And a lot of people commented saying that they appreciated that we provided the math standard for the fourth grade multiplication. And so there were things that we needed to improve on. Right off the bat, something we were told that we needed to improve on was that we could have made that math standard a little more fourth grade friendly. It was a little wordy, and we definitely could have cut it down. People also suggested that we make the video more visually appealing, maybe use more pictures or animations throughout the video, because a lot of people thought that fourth graders might have gotten bored throughout a video. Another improvement for the video would be taking a minute or so at the end of it to explain the concepts and go over everything one more time. I believe my classmates' videos were very great, and I think they used a lot of good voice, like using their teacher voice and speaking loudly and clearly. They also made their videos very appealing with pictures, and I think that our group could have definitely benefited from that. And other groups had themes which caught the eye of students. I also liked other groups' videos because they had videos within their videos, which is helpful because a lot of students need that extra explanation and they might not have just understood it with the teacher's explanation. So, what I learned during this project was that I do not see myself using virtual learning in the future. I think that a lot can get lost in translation, and I don't think that there's enough connect with questions. I think that students benefit from getting the question answered in real time, and I just don't think that virtual lessons can do that. But I do think it is a good idea for maybe like a homework assignment that a teacher does a virtual lesson on something small, on a small concept, and the students have to review it and bring in some questions for homework, and then there will be a larger discussion in class. But overall, I did really like this lesson.